Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add member profile card in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page and we are going to add member profile card. Now you see add element and again you see add element, so click on it. So we are going to add member profile card. Now you see community, so hover on it and then you see members profile card and then you see multiple layout. Now select, drag and drop here like this. So this is our member profile card. Now you see, so this is our username and then you see settings, so click on it. Now you see member profile card, you see main layout, so click on it and then you see select layout, full width card, profile picture layout and then you see profile image size. Now you see design, so click on it, text, paragraph, now back, button. Now you see color scheme, again click on back, so you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now on contact page you see login to connect with member, view and follow other members, leave comment and more. So click on login, so you can sign up or login. So in this way you can add member profile card in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.